Watch the first President Duterte cabinet meeting.
Jive with them. Kung magawa na lang tayo ng daan sa Art Tugadi, yung isang bagong daan na papuntang Pampanga, solely for the road and other allied services, but mainly for the road access to Pampanga Airport. Para doon na lang yung ibang flights sa domestic. If we can have just a road until we can have the new whatever, doon na lang muna sa Pampanga ang ibang para hindi mag-clog dito because of the talagang traffic. The best way in the meantime is one road network that would be geared towards Pampanga and Clark para magamit natin. Yun na lang muna siguro. I really do not know if we have the money to build a new airport dyan sa Sangli to extend it, or kung mayroong mga bagong papasok na may pera, di sige. Wala tayong problema dyan. But in the meantime, we have to remedy the overcrowded skies of Naya. Isang airport lang talaga tayo. It's Naya, period. And it services the entire country. And all of the planes going to Manila are landing there. So how do you expect kaya umiikot ng umiikot? And there's the danger maubusan ka ng kagaya ko. Halos we had to cut and wise. I was low on gas and I was only good for 17 minutes. Sabi ko, mabuti, pinalanding kami. Kaya ayaw ko yung may special treatment. Walang stopping of the activity just because somebody, and also next time itong mga epic pati should be there somewhere where we do not really the least inconvenience and disturbance to the people should be better. But itong meron akong isang suggestion lang. Itong we do not share commonality in all of the aspects of governance. So we can have the cluster. Si Jess mahusay dito kaya matagal ka dito Kan clustering na lang tayo. So you might want to talk to Attorney Medialdia. Kasi sayang ang panahon ng iba They can work better. Tapos patawag mo dito. Wala namang only those departments that are interconnected with their duties. Parang may germane kayo. Pero yung iba hindi mo kailangan. We can have a good governance and anti-corruption. Basta yung good governance lang, take out I do not want anti-corruption. Basta ayaw natin ng corruption, period. So good governance, economic development, human development, and poverty reduction, climate change, adaptation and mitigation, security, justice, and peace. Yung kita nga ulitin ko, yung kita ni sa PAGCOR, it runs into billions. The last time I've taken notice of it was 35 billion, something or 30. It will be geared for health services. Kasi even the complaints sa mga PGHs, mga doctors, is that they have to shell out, contribute sila just to the patient to buy the medicines. I think that these billions, if just nakatutok yan sa health services, would go a long way really to provide relief to almost every Filipino. Kaya lang hindi makabili ng medisina. Hindi naman kasi lahat. That's why I'm sending Secretary Ubial to Cuba. So kung sinong gustong pumunta na something to do with human welfare, they have a good practice there. And if you guys want to go there, you can go and I will allow you. Mayroon tayo lang magandang paraan ng Cuba. That's why it was a socialist country working very well. And over time, hindi nga nila nakuha. Because the people were contented and happy. And they had perfected a welfare system for all na baka makopya natin sa ano, especially yung ano nila. But you should be happy to know that I said have found the source. Yung pagkod nakatutok lang sa medisina sa lahat ng tao. So kung sino yung may ano, hindi po, meron ako yung lingap sa mahirap. It fits about makabot minsan, there was a time inabot ako ng 280 million. Pero kung ito yung para talaga sa tao, yung walang medisina, ang masakit kasi ang tao pag walang maibili ng medisina, patay. Simple pagbigay ng resita ng doktor, tapos sabihin ng butika, magkano yan, ma'am? Ito, gastusin mag-abot 1,000, magsabog na lang. So, medyo masakit pakinggan yan, pero that is the reality when it comes. I hope that this pagto thing, total kita naman yan ng sugal. Itutok ko lang dyan and would look for something else. I am not ready to. It has something to do with the betterment of our country. But it is a geopolitical, alam niyo kung ano yan, geopolitical matter which I have to discuss with the Security, Justice and Peace Committee. We have to make up our minds, but we can also prepare the people where do we go. I'm referring itong sa arbitral judgment ng sa korte. Maybe after, we expect it to come July 16, 12, and after that we can discuss what steps we will take along that line. Dito, it's a, ano tayo dito, cliffhanger tayo kasi if we decide right, we might also find some alleviation in some of the problems here. Nga naman kung sinubrahan natin, it should be a soft landing for everybody. Na kung mayroon man, we do not really taunt or flaunt it. Soft landing lang tayo dyan. And we will study progressively kung paano natin magamit ng of course, it would be a moral victory and put a country at in an awkward position. But then again, I said we have to go into the reality sa buhay natin. If we lalo na sa atin, we did a lot of many things, hardware and all. So we have to solve some of the problems that would involve violence. Ako, I do not want it. God knows I really do not want to declare any fighting with anybody. And if we can have peace by just talking, I would be very happy. So if there's anything more that
I miss the
you
way
guys
our
would want to
president
take
plans
up
for us
with this
to live in
meeting, you're
peace.
free to. Okay po man. Ikaw, John.
Yeah, Mr. President.